Court is calling 2025 CR 008253 State versus Enrique Soriano. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Nicole Yates for the state of Texas.
And Ron Ross for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Soriano?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Soriano, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. So here's the question. You are proceeding on two counts, one as a third degree and one as a first degree.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you all have in your plea bargain page, you need to signify what the plea is for the first degree and what it is for the third degree, because you all have 18 years. So if you all will correct that.
Thank you.
Just want it to run concurrent, Your Honor.
No. If you'll say what is the plea. So for the first degree, you all have agreed to 18 years.
Correct, correct.
Yes, Your Honor.
And so I'll need to know what the plea is for the second degree.
Third degree.
I'm sorry, the third degree, correct.
Did we just do the third concurrent with the first?
No, I mean, you just put down
Years,
how-
number of
what,
years.
what years did y'all agree on for the third degree?
Years.
Mhm.
All right, Mr. Soriano, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
So what amount of time, we're off the record, what amount of time are you all asking for in the third degree? I can't read this.
It should be two.
Okay,
Yes, Your Honor. 2 on the third, 18 on the first concurrent.
all right. Do y'all want to initial this for me?
What if we did up top? Your Honor?
Sure.
Oh, what were you? Okay.
All right, did you understand in count one, you're charged with possession of child pornography?
Yes, Your Honor.
And in count two, you're charged with, in count one, you're charged with possession of child pornography as a first degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison. In count two, you're charged with possession of child pornography as a third degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you'll sign. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Judge.
Mr. Soriano, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Judge.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
By entering this plea, if you're not a US citizen, you will be denied naturalization, re-entry, and you will be deported. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, count one, you're to be sentenced to 18 years in the prison. Count two, you're to be sentenced to 2 years in the prison. They're requesting that the counts run concurrently. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
It is, Judge.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
To count one, how do you plea?
Guilty, Your Honor.
To count two, how do you plea?
Guilty, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
State tender states one and all attachments pending objection.
No objections.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
All right. Why should I follow this plea bargain agreement?
Your Honor, I would ask you to follow the plea bargain agreement. The first degree charge stems from an incident where you will be likely charged in a different county. The other possession charge is probably on the spectrum of what I see, the least offensive.
None of these cases are good, but as far as the spectrum, it's a lesser one. And these were primarily photos. I don't know if he took them or he had them on his phone or not. But there was a minimum number. There wasn't a tremendous number of them. So it's a substantial amount of time for this. It's not penetration. It's not that kind of stuff.
All right. In count 1, the court will sentence you to 18 years. In count 2, the court will sentence you to 2 years. Court will give you credit for any time served. Count 1 and count 2 legally must run concurrently. There's to be no residing in households with minors. There's to be no contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do we still have the pending MTR?
Your Honor, no, he was continued on probation for that DWI several months ago. Well, and he's been incarcerated ever since.
Well,
I'm not aware of an MTR being filed.
do you want him revoked on that, or do you want him?
We're like, going to be revoked on that and.
All right, so if you'll speak with probation. All right, Norma. On his other case, the motion to revoke, a motion to revoke hasn't been filed. Just recall that for the 17th. Are you available on the 17th?
That's Monday.
Yes.
Later in the morning, I should be.
All right, Norma, recall this for the 17th. And that'll be on the motion to revoke.
Your Honor, does state need to be here?
No, there's someone else to be here.
Thank you, Judge.
If you'll,
Number for that motion to revoke.
yes, it's 2024 CR 3163. And I imagine they can just put this case in the motion to revoke. All right,
Could they withdraw that motion? Would that resolve it?
no. Well, there's not a pending motion to revoke. So if you all want to just have the motion to revoke filed, then that will be taken care of, and he won't be on probation.
Well, he's going to be in jail anyway. I mean.
Yeah. I mean, it's up to y'all, but I'll see y'all back on the 17th.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Make excuse, Your Honor.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, and Norma? Miguel Aguilar, I'll take that up. I'll take up any pleas. Everybody else is gonna have to come back on the 17th.
Paperwork.
So we'll be back at 1:30.
Who's your client?
David Escobedo.
What's happening with that?
We have just turned in paperwork.
All right. If you'll come back this afternoon on that one. And Norma, Miguel Aguilera will be back this afternoon.
I'll be back on Monday.
We'll be able to do it.